Have you ever watched a movie and thought, people say this all the time? Let's learn 10 real English expressions. Slowly, simply, and together. Ready? Let's go. I'll be right back. تعني سأعود حالا. I'll be right back. For example, wait here. I'll be right back. Second expression of our episode of today is it is what it is. It is what it is. يعني هذا هو الواقع. Let's take this example. The exam was hard, but it is what it is. So let's do it again. The exam was hard, but it is what it is. You've got to be kidding me means أكيد تمزح. For example, you failed again? You've got to be kidding me. That's one of the common expressions we come across in English. Let's get out of here. بمعنى لنغادر من هنا. For example, it's late. Let's get out of here. I didn't see that coming. معناها لم أتوقع هذا. For example, she quit her job. I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. Trust me. This movie is good. بمعنى ثق بي. Trust me. Or for fast English, trust me. This movie is good. What do you mean? ماذا تعني? ماذا تقصد? For example, we're leaving. What do you mean? We are leaving. What do you mean? That makes sense بمعنى هذا منطقي. For example, you're tired after work. That makes sense. You're tired after work? That makes sense. Now, the other expression that we have is, are you serious? For example, you won the prize? Are you serious? Are you serious? بمعنى هل أنت جاد? Last but not least is I'm done. For example, I finished my homework. I'm done. يعني انتهيت. Now, if you get to this level of listening, or this point, good job. Choose one sentence today and use it in real life. Write it in the comment. That is how English becomes easy, when you use it. See you next time. Dr. Walid Khalid.